How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers full tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. For example, this one, as you can see, over 300K followers, and we have likes, comments. So this is an AI influencer. That mean doesn't exist. So you can use this AI influencer earning money. Dive into the world of AI influencers where virtual personalities are defining the rules of social media marketing and raking in cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencer. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to do the voiceover, you don't have even to write the script. So a lot of AI influencers earns millions of dollars. In this video, I'll show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. So first step you need to start your video on YouTube using AI influencer is creating your AI character. But don't worry, you don't have to create it because we have here hygiene.com. It's an AI based tool that can be utilized or used to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com. As you can see here, we have two options to get started, so you can choose the one you want. And here we have a lot of information to get or to more understand how website works. So where we have user cases, features, resources, company, pricing. So you can also scroll down and you will get a lot of information. As you can see, this is the AI avatar or AI character. So let's start. First of all, you can click on get start and then you will enter your email or verification code. Then you answer for a few questions and you will start or click on sign up. After signing up, you will have this home page. So as you can see here, we have my recent creation, and if we scroll down, will see Haitian Learning Guide. So if you want to more understand how AI Studio works, how video avatar works, how AI voice works, and the same thing for video translation. And here we have templates with different topics. So you can choose the one suit your content, and then you will start uh, making videos using AI avatar. So this is the AI avatar. You can go over here to go to the studio avatar. So here we have the studio avatar. So here you can find a lot of or various character AI character that you can choose to start your content. So as you can see here, we have a lot of AI avatars. So you can choose the one you like and then you can start. So to start, you can just click over here. So before clicking, let's see what we have here. So here we have three dot. You can click to edit avatar or to get avatar ID, and here if you wanna create your video, so you can choose the landscape because if you want start on YouTube. So let's click over here. As you can see, a lot of options appear to edit your video, and here you can change the place of your AI avatar. So you can put it on the left or on the right or on the middle. So here we have animation if you want to effect on enter, effect on leave, and here we have a lot of options. So for example, if you want to added a script, you can just delete it and then you will added your script. And if you need help, you can just click over here and then you will write the topic that you want about the script, and GPT gonna help you to write it. So here we have translate all script to if you want to translate to a specific language. And here we have if you want to add other script. And here we have add post section, add recording, employed audio. So for the voice you can choose over here. So you can select the language you want, the gender you want. It's depend on your AI character, is it male or female, and the age too, the child, youth voice, middle age, older, and the function, pause is supported, adjustable speed, adjustable pitch. And here we have a type of voices, so you can find natural voice, explainer voice, ads voice, audiobooks voice, e-learning voice, narration voice, and games voice. So here you can select which voice you want, and then you will start editing your video. And and after finishing your editing, you can just click over here on submit, and you will download your video. Then you can start to publish it on your YouTube channel. So there's a lot of ways to earn money using this AI influencer on YouTube. So you can, for example, use affiliate marketing, for example, through platforms like Impact.com offers affiliates flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently. By promoting products or services through affiliate partnerships, affiliates can earn commissions. I mean, if you become an affiliate, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your referral links. So you can choose the brand you want, and then you will promote their products or services, and then you will earn your commission. All that using AI influencer. Or you can just create a video guide using an AI influencer, can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience by starting on defining your topic. So you can choose a specific topic that you want to create a video guide about. This could be anything from an introduction, for example, to artificial intelligence, to a deep dive into a specific AI application or technology. So then you can script by writing a script. So you can write it for your video guide, or you can use ChatGPT to help you, including explanations, examples, and any demonstrations you plan to include. Make sure the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and the AI influencer. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.